Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add date and time to photos on your Android device. Subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes and write your comments after. And let's get started. So, in order to do this, you and I will need to go into the camera. Now, once you're in the regular camera settings, we go to the top of the settings, click on the gear, and then scroll down here and find the watermark. We go to the watermark settings, and first we need to activate it. And as you can see, every phone has a picture like this where you can see the watermark appearing. Next, you and I can add our geolocation. So we'll be here with the date, time, and location where we took the picture. We can also add the brand of our phone. So, for example, Samsung, Tecno, Huawei, and so on. And we can add some more text. And this text, we can customize it ourselves. That's how the watermark can be customized. And after you customize all that, you just exit. And now, if you take a photo, let's go to it. At the bottom of that photo, you'll see that there's a watermark with the date, time, location, and so on that you set up. That's the simple way you can add date and time to photos on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give us your likes, comments, and subscribe to our channel, and see you soon, friends.